Today we make the Dark Star, a frozen chocolate and citrus drink from the Tropical Standard book. While this video has no sponsor, it is brought to us by viewers like you because the Make and Drink Patreon offers many perks. And one of those is that if you're a member of the Mai Tai tier, you can work with me to choose one of your favorite cocktails for me to make here on YouTube. This video is from Kevin Williams, and it's actually taken me a while to get to because I've been waiting until the summer to make this frozen drink. And we're also going to need to make a couple things that might take you a little bit of time to collect the ingredients for. First, we need Dave's chocolate bitters, named after Dave Arnold. These chocolate bitters will be rapid infused with a whipped cream dispenser. I made these about 6 months ago, and I did film it, but I can't find the footage now. So instructions for how to make this will be in this episode's description. But if you're not willing to go to the trouble to make your own chocolate bitters, you can definitely substitute your favorite store-bought ones. How close that will be to the one I made, I don't know. I couldn't really tell you. But we will also rapid infuse some chocolate rum. I'm going to combine 75 grams of cacao nibs and 500 milliliters of Mount Gay Black Barrel rum. I'll use 2 charges for this. I'll shake this for 30 seconds, and then I'll let it sit for 2 minutes. I'll then release the pressure and let this sit for 5 minutes before fine straining and bottling. You could also use a commercial store-bought chocolate infused rum for this, but you're not looking for a sweetened rum. At the Sunken Harbor Club now, they even use the Kapali cacao rum, so that would be a good alternative if you're making your own at home and don't want to make your own chocolate rum. So let's get to making the Dark Star. In a blender, I'm going to add 5 drops of a saline solution, 3 dashes of our chocolate bitters, 1 tablespoon of the Tropical Standard sugar mix, and that's half turbinado and half evaporated cane sugar, 3/4 ounces of lime juice, half an ounce of tempus fugit creme de cacao, 1.5 ounces of our chocolate rum, and then I'm going to blend it all. As it's blending, I'm going to add in 1/4 teaspoon of xanthan gum, finally, I'm going to add in 170 grams of ice, and yes, that's weighed ice. I'm not weighing mine now because I know with my ice that 1.5 cups equals 170 grams. I'll serve this in a chilled coupe. And we're going to top it with some grated dark chocolate. So there you go, the Dark Star. Let's try it. Cheers. Citrus in chocolate is not generally a descriptor that I find very appealing. I think we often think of like milk chocolate and citrus, or like one of those cheap chocolate covered oranges. And the idea of lime juice with chocolate is like, it sounds even less appealing. I didn't have doubts that this would work, but I just wasn't sure how much I would enjoy it. It's delicious. It's got the notes of dark chocolate with just enough sweetness to pull it out of bitter dark chocolate bars, but it also doesn't feel like a super sweet milk chocolate drink. There's layers of chocolate, which you would assume. The Tempus Fugit is the one that I'm the most familiar with, using that liqueur for, dozens of different cocktails. But that's a sweet vanilla, like rich chocolate. But here that it's very, that richness is subdued. it doesn't taste rich. It has like a very distinct and delicious underlying chocolate flavor. And it's kind of like when you have a rum or a spirit that has those chocolate notes. It's like that, but intensified. And then being in a frozen cocktail, it's one of the, strangely, this is very strange. It's one of the most like crushable frozen drinks I've had in a long time. And I would have thought the exact opposite. I would have thought the chocolate thing you have would be the one that is like a nightcap sort of sweet thing. But then when you look at this does have a lot of simplicity. You know, it's lime juice, it's a little bit of chocolate liqueur, a chocolate infused rum, and chocolate bitters. That's kind of the main flavor drivers here, and they all work together to make something that is absolutely delicious. We've all had things that are chocolate flavored, and you kind of know what that flavor is, but the application of that chocolate flavor, and I'm talking like not in chocolate, not in ice cream, not in what we're used to, but just like a candy or something that has a chocolate flavor, it can be like identifiable, but also like it doesn't always work. It usually doesn't work, but this has that chocolate flavor in an application that just works. So that's it for this one. The Dark Star from the Tropical Standard Book. It is absolutely delicious. I think I've said it like 5 times now. I'm surprised, which I shouldn't have been, about how much I do like this, how balanced it is, how much depth and complexity there is to it. And if you're looking for a frozen blender drink to make this summer, then you have to try this. It's just that good. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like below. Consider subscribing to the channel if you want to support this channel more, or maybe even choose your own cocktail for me to make here on YouTube. Check out my Patreon page, and otherwise I will see you on the next one.